another video of you. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you back. It is your girl, Lil Miss JB, Jordan here. And if you are looking for what to wear to Miami, what to wear to the beach, what to wear out by the pool, sitting pretty, you are in the right place because that is what today's video is all about. Before we get into it though, if you are into fashion and not just like what's trending, but where to buy pieces, how to buy quality pieces, and then how to get the most wear out of those pieces. If you like beauty, minimal beauty with the hair, with the makeup, with the skincare, if you like to travel, you like to go see the places, check them out, learn what to do, where to eat, where to stay before you go, hit that follow button because that is what I share here, that is what I do here, that is what I'm here for. So if you've been keeping up with me, you know that I was in Miami last week on my first ever solo vacation. It was amazing. I mean, I had such a good time, y'all, like such a good time. And if you haven't already, I have shared my Miami vlog, so sharing, you know, basically the whole trip, my feels as I went through the trip, being solo, how I was kind of approaching each day, what I did, where I ate. And I also do have 2 blog posts up on littlemissjbstyle.com that you can check out as well. And today I am answering the most asked question, which is what the heck do I pack and what the heck do I wear going to Miami, going to the beach, going someplace that is hot, a little bit humid, but you want to be cute, you want to look good, and you might be pear-shaped. And that is what we're talking about today. So a little bit of background, if you are new here, I am a size 6 to a size 8. I wear about a 34B bra. I have about a 28-inch waist, and my hips are about 40 to 41 inches. So that puts me anywhere from a size 6 to a size 8, and a size small to a size medium, even up to a size large. So just to give you, when you're looking at these outfits, my sizes and my measurements, so that way when you're looking at these pieces you kind of know what to expect. So let's get into everything I wore on my solo vacation, starting off with this amazing set. You guys have seen this matching set before. I shared it on my haul video a couple of months ago. It is from H&M. It is zebra print. You should not be surprised. This was my airport outfit, okay? Super comfortable, super casual. So you have the sneakers, easy to get on, easy to get off. You have these really comfortable, breathable pants. Then I did do a bralette because I knew once I got to Miami, I was gonna wanna just strip out of that shirt and be ready to go and not be overly hot and overly like sweaty and gross, because that's a no dog. And then we have obviously the matching top. So on the plane, I could button it up, look nice and smooth, just ready to be on vacay. So this is something that I wear to an airport. This is like my go-to airport outfit, right? We have an easy top, a layering piece, like a jacket or something in case I get cold, and then some breezy pants. Like, I don't really do jeans. I also don't really do leggings. I don't do super casual outfits for the airport, just because that's just really not my style. Like, it's not that I don't wear super casual clothes, but I'm not really like an athleisure kind of person 90% of the time. So for the airport, I like to look a little bit nicer just in case, because I will say sometimes when you look the part, you can be given certain bonuses and upgrades. I will just leave it at that. So once I got to Miami, my plans kind of changed, and originally the first day I thought I was just gonna kind of like hang out, walk around, go to the beach, but because it looked like it might be my only sunny day, I decided to go ahead and get some of the pictures that I had in my mind for content creation out of the way over in the design district. So I was going to the Fendi Cafe, and this is the outfit that I wore. This is a J-Lux dress in a size small. I love this thing. I was so surprised because I usually do not venture into size small for dresses at all because my hips, my thighs, that booty though, like, but this dress, you can see her, like, she is a moment. And then I just paired it with my comfortable Tevas because I knew I was going to be doing a lot of walking, and I saw some people in heels, but for me, I'm not sacrificing comfort. I know that I like to walk, and I will be walking around a lot and being on my feet all day, so I really wasn't trying to wear my feet out on day one. So after I went and got some pictures at the Fendi Cafe, I went over to the museum garage over in the design district, and I did a wardrobe change in the parking lot. Yes, that is the content creator way. And this is the second look that I wore. This crop top is from Pattaya. I love it. These cutout crop tops, the little tie fronts, I'm here for it. Like, at first I was a little scared, but honestly, I love it. Having a smaller chest, I am like coming into the fact that like I can wear tops like this, I can be a little more risque, and like I don't have to worry about like the girls trying to pour on out. So this is also a size small. And then these shorts are from Beach Riot through Revolve, tiger print, super comfortable. These also doubled up as like cover up shorts while I was on the beach and also to wear to bed. So a super solid purchase. Obviously, you should not be surprised that I have some tiger print. And then the shoes are from H&M. I got these sandals because I needed some super comfortable black slip-on sandals, and I really liked my white Senso ones but wanted something in black. And these are really, really surprisingly comfortable. I thought they might, with the little thong, be a little bit irritating, but I wore these for a good couple of hours and back out to dinner and was totally fine. Once I wrapped up in the design district, I decided to head back to the hotel room change, and because it might be the only sunny day, just head to the beach. So I decided to wear this lovely number. This top is actually a shirt dress, and that is from Nasty Gal. I bought a while ago in a size 8. Honestly, I'm hit or miss on how it fits buttoned up, but it was perfect for a cover up. And this swimsuit you guys have seen before, this is from Bayou the Label. I personally don't recommend the brand. I had a really bad experience with them. They lost my package, tried to blame it on me, and I had to like go through Amazon to get them to actually like refund me and ship out my product. But it's a cute swimsuit, like, so, you know, I won't lie, I will give it its, you know, I'll give it its flowers where it's due. But for the brand, honestly, go support a black owned brand. Riot Swim, Andrea, Imaya, like plenty of other brands that I would recommend over Bayou the Label. And then of course the Tevas, because I knew the sand was going to be hot, and it was, so these protected my feet while I searched for a cute little spot. Here are some pictures I took out of the beach at the lifeguard station, because obviously iconic here in Miami, you have to do it. And the bucket hat is from Kangol, obviously to protect the face, and the sunglasses from Forever 21, just to keep, you know, the sun off my face and to keep my face protected. So after we went to the beach, I decided just to give this second look a try. I really just wanted to see if I liked it. I wore it more around the hotel for a couple of hours. So same swimsuit, Bayou the Label, same hat, Kangol, but the skirt is from H&M. I always get questions about the skirt. I bought it last year, and you see how she sits on the curves. You see how she do that, right? And that's actually a size medium. Again, I was really surprised, and even now, like, that I put a little bit of weight back on since last year, she's still. So ruched dresses, ladies, if you're taking anything away, ruched dresses for the win. Then it was time for dinner at the Water at the Rooftop at One Hotel, and so I decided to change into this amazing ASOS dress. I got this 2 years ago, and I knew I was gonna wear it to some beach vacation getaway, but I honestly forgot about it for a while because I put it in a separate part of my closet that is more for like fire photos for content creation, but might not actually wear. But once I wore it out to dinner, I honestly like couldn't believe that I thought that this dress wasn't wearable in real life. It's super comfortable. You see how it really outlines my frame. You don't really have to wear a bra. I wore like the little nipple covers, which I will find the brand, because the ones that I bought, worth every penny. Like, I sweated in those bad boys and they did not slip or anything. So totally worth it, and they are reusable, so, you know, trying to be sustainable. And then you see those H&M sandals making a comeback, plus the ASOS purse, just to carry my stuff in. So that's everything. I know it was a lot, but that's everything I wore like day one, because again, I was doing a lot of content creation, because I knew I wanted to have photos of the hotel. I wanted to have photos in some of these locations, because why not? Because why not? So day two, actually a lot of the stuff I did day one, I was supposed to do on day two. So I actually had a lot more time. So in the morning, I just decided to go to the beach. So this is what I wore. We have this swimsuit, which is actually from Lulu's. I absolutely love it. And then these pants, which are from Revolve. You can see me living in tiger print, having the moment. And the bum bag is also from ASOS, and the Tevas, again, making a comeback, because I ended up just walking up Ocean Drive, you know, going to find some place to grab some coffee and a juice. And then I actually took the juice and coffee to the beach, and then walked the length of the beach back to my hotel, and then sat down and laid out for quite a couple of hours. I would say probably until like the afternoon. So then later in the afternoon, I had plans to go to the Wynwood Walls, which is the Miami Art District. So I wanted something that was gonna be fun, but also wouldn't take away from all the colors. So I went with this amazing slip dress that you have seen in my How to Style slip dress video from Urban Outfitters. Still fits like, I mean, right? So that's a size medium. Again, really surprised. And then I wore it again with those sneakers you saw earlier from Zara, the zebra print, because I knew I was gonna be doing a lot of walking, and then the ASOS bag just to carry my stuff in again. So this is literally what I wore for the rest of that second day. Super comfortable. Honestly, like, I was in that hot ass sun. I was sweating, but I didn't feel like buried, you know what I mean? Like, obviously in humidity you're gonna sweat, and there was nothing that I could do about that, but this dress was super breathable and super comfortable, considering how like grossly sweaty and humid I was. So day three, again, I really didn't have major plans. I wanted to just kind of take the day as it came. So again, going to the beach. So we have this beach cover up. This is from River Island, and I did a cute little DIY. It used to have lace paneling on the sleeve, and I just sewed that up. And then I paired that with this H&M swimsuit that I have had for like 4 years, but I just did the top a different way to give it a little more updated, modern look. And then I just paired it with my Tevas. Again, super simple. I knew I was just gonna be laying out on the beach, taking in some sun, but also wanted to look a little bit cute. So later in the day, I decided that I wanted to check out Showfields because they had this really cool interactive display and I heard really cool things about the shop. And then I was going to dinner, so I decided to put on just something that I could do both in, and that is this orange Zara dress. Again, you've seen it. It was in my haul video. She is perfection. No bra, guys, right? No bra. This is the size medium. And then I wore it with the Tevas again because I knew I decided to walk from my hotel up to the Lincoln Mall, which is about a little over half a mile, and then walking the stretch of the mall and then going to dinner. And so this worked really, really, really perfectly. So it was great. And that is everything that I wore on my vacation. One of the things I challenged myself with was to not buy anything new specifically for this trip. There are some pieces that are new to you guys, but they are not new pieces that I bought because I was going on vacation to Miami. Very often it's like, ooh, vacation, we gotta get new this, new that, but like the people in Miami haven't seen me, like, let's be honest. And even if they follow me on Instagram, like, that doesn't mean the outfit looks any less amazing on me. So I think we get really, really caught up. I know a lot of people get really caught up in like, I need a new wardrobe for vacation, but sometimes they forget that they've had pieces sitting in their wardrobe that maybe can come out of the back of the closet, still work, still look amazing, and people haven't seen in a while that they can wear or rewear on their vacation. So that was a really, really big push for me, was not to buy anything just for the vacation, and I think I did an amazing job. The only new things were the Teva shoes and then the Beach Riot shorts. Again, those were not bought specifically for the trip. They happen to work with the trip though. So when you talk about packing, the great thing about Miami is like a swimsuit is an outfit. Like even if you threw on nothing, a lot of places will let you just walk in the swimsuit. So you can easily just wear like your swimsuit top with like any cute bottoms, even if they're see-through. And that would work for a majority of the situations, right? Like even if you went out to the club, you could easily get away with that kind of stuff. It's very, very, it's very free. It's very fun. Like the style there is like, it's very loud and very expressive, which I loved. I loved, and it really gave me an opportunity to play around with that side of my style. And it was so much fun. If you are headed to the beach, going to Miami somewhere, or even poolside, some of the things that I recommend that you pack: comfortable shoes. Okay, look, I know we want to be cute, but I promise you, your feet are going to thank you. If you can find some cute functional shoes, you don't have to do the Tevas. Honestly, there were some Dior sandals that I almost splurged on that were leopard print that looked amazing and would be something really, really great, that are dressy but still comfortable to walk in. I would also recommend swimsuits, obviously, because you're going to want to at least lay by the pool, if not get into the pool. Some cover-ups, because those can double as an outfit super easy, and they'll be super breathable for walking around and seeing the sights. And the last thing, which I forgot, is a rain poncho or an umbrella, either or, but something to protect you from the rain, because a lot of the times we forget. We have this image in our head, we're going to the beach, it's going to be perfect, the weather's going to be amazing. Weather happens. Like July is hurricane season, so it didn't downpour all day every day, but there definitely were a couple stretches of rain that it wasn't downpouring, but it also was like I didn't pack a poncho or an umbrella, and I could have easily walked around in the rain because I already had some really comfortable water shoes, the Tevas, that, you know what I mean, I ended up like getting stuck in a couple of places because I just didn't plan ahead for that. So a poncho you can easily roll up, throw in your purse, your fanny pack, and put it on if you ever need it. So I recommend bringing that as well. That is it. That's everything I wore in Miami. That is where I suggest you pack, and I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you vibed with me, if you got any value of this video, give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you found this useful and I can keep creating this kind of content for you. If you don't already, here's my social media handle. Find me on TikTok, find me on Pinterest. I am on Instagram, and I share all kinds of different content. Lots of behind the scenes, a lot more outfit inspiration beyond just what I share here. So make sure you go and check me out on those platforms as well. And I'm excited to announce that I'm actually doubling up on videos. So not only do I have new videos every Sunday, but I now am gonna have new videos every Wednesday. Right now I'm thinking that they're gonna be vlog type videos, but eventually they will also turn into maybe different types of series. I was having a while ago, how to improve your style, doing some workwear series. So I think I might bring some of those videos back on Wednesdays as well. So keep your eyes open for that, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.